Hello and welcome back once again for another weekly review and happy new month to you all. Alright, so this is another weekly review for this particular week, and we're going to actually analyze the markets to know which direction we will be trading on. Alright, so last week let's quickly do a review of what actually transpired last week. So last week we were actually um, calling for and this is the chart for the US dollar, and we're actually calling for the price to go higher after coming down here to actually go higher, but it broke down. And during the analysis we said all right, so we said that the market could actually go two ways. So it can either go up here to take out this high and then the other high from this shaded area, or it could actually break down from here. All right, so what it did was the latter. So it actually broke down from here, and if you were in the Telegram group on Wednesday, I actually gave us an analysis that if we go below this down candles down candles low, open candle, no, I mean sorry, close candle here, then we'll likely see the market trade lower, all right, and taking out this low and ultimately coming down to this particular equal lows right here. Okay, so now this is the month of August, and in the month of August I'll be actually looking for a bearish dollar. So I'll no longer be looking for the markets to go all the way up here. I'll be looking for the market to go downwards. All right. So and with the current state of what is happening in the world, the COVID-19, and those people who are trying to resist the COVID-19 jab, those who do not want to take it, and the government who is actually saying that they want to force the jab on people, so it can actually send this market lower than this. So in this month I'll be really bearish on the dollar, which is the DSF. So this particular movement from this place to this high, I'll be looking to have this particular movement twice, like this particular range from here to here. I'll be looking for it to unfold again from here to here, and then lastly from here, from this particular point to this particular point. So I'll be looking for like twice of this particular movement. Though it will consolidate, we'll see some upward movement, but we'll be looking at that for just a retracement to sell it lower. All right, so I'll be looking for this low to be taken, and when it is taken, I'll actually be looking for this imbalance to be filled, and then these lows are also in jeopardy. This is a long time scenario. All right, so for the weekly, for this particular week, let's see. All right, let's take this off. This has already done its purpose. All right, so like I say, we are looking for that low to be taken as well. So all right, so we could see the market actually be a straight trade, actually trade it down from this particular point. All right, we could see a straight trade from here to let's see what's the low again. All right, so we could actually see the market trade down from here right now, taking out this low, then going back a little bit, then selling off again, taking out this entire low. All right, so on Monday I'll be looking to be bearish. If it give me, I usually don't trade the Monday, but if it give me the sign, then I'm going to be bearish. All right, so um that's what I see. Or it could just come, market will open, trade, take out this short high, let's go for to the 1 hour and see. All right, so Market could just open, maybe take out this high and then drop off, but I don't want to see that. I want to see a straight trade from here. All right, so that's what I'll be looking for. And all right, so that's what I'll be looking for. We should also keep this place in mind. We could see price come if we have high volatility. We could see the market actually dropping to this particular point, maybe taking out these lows and all these lows again. All right, so I'll be really bearish on the dollar. All right, so that's it. So let's check for the euro. All right, so okay, and for the euro, we actually said that this is a very dangerous place to actually sell the market lower, though we're looking to um, hold this momentum downward. But I actually said it, if you go to our previous video, that this is actually a really risky place to sell, so it will be better to buy the market. All right, so though we're looking for this markets to actually trade up to this particular point, and then we'll see if it was willing to go lower, but it did it actually came here and then went higher again. All right, so and what can we see from the daily? I was still looking for this to go higher. All right, so that's taking out this high. Then I want this high again to be taken. All right, so from here we'll see what the market does. So although I'll look to be very bullish on this pair. All right, very bullish on this pair as well. And but the target, the nearest target will be after all these lows have been really raided. I mean, all these highs have really raided. All right, so that's what I will be expecting for this particular pair. The market could actually drop lower, taking out this low. All right, drop lower, taking out this low, come here and then trade higher. You can actually do that, but like I said, I'm looking to see a straight trade, just movement straight up. That's what I'm looking for. But it could just consolidate, then take out this low and then move higher. So be mindful of that. And yes, this will be the target for us to see if we can actually see if the market will go higher according to the predicted movements that I have on the forex market. So let's check out the pounds. Okay, um let's take this off. All right, so for the pounds, all right, so we are bullish right now. So this actually is much clearer than the euro. So the pounds have actually broken this high. You see, broken this structure. So we can actually see the movement from here going higher. We saw this move. They will actually see another move taking out all this high. All right, so we actually have basically equal highs. This high and this high are actually equal highs. So we can see the market going up to that place to take out those highs. So we will be bullish on the GBP USD as well. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. Alright, so the 4 hour. Alright, so like I said, I'll still be looking for a straight trade. We are this other block. Yeah, so we are this other block. So the market came here, so we're looking at a straight trade, just going higher from here. Alright, so if it could maintain the momentum it had from here to here, you can actually see another. I don't want it to go lower than this. If it went lower than this, then I think I'll just sit on the sidelines. So I don't want it to go lower than this low. So it could just trade a little bit back here and then move higher. That's what I'll be looking for. Let me see from the 1 hour. All right, so yep, that's what I'll be looking for. Just movement higher. Okay, But if it actually trade down here and close, maybe a 1 hour candle trade downwards and close, then I think I'll just sit on the sidelines. All right, so next, let's just take a look at gold. um okay, so gold actually did what we're expecting. We're expecting gold to go higher and we find some resistance. If it can find some resistance here to sell at, so it actually did not find resistance, it just went higher with a lot of momentum. So we are bullish on gold. I'm not gonna bearish anymore. So we won't be looking for this to unfold. All right, so we are going to be bearish on gold. All right. Okay, so we could see so what we'll be expecting. We could see the market open, take out on Friday low, and then go higher. So that's what I'll be expecting. Market to open, take out the Friday low, then go higher, taking out these lows and ultimately coming to this high. So this is a long shot. All right, so that's what I'll be looking for. So let's take a look at it on the 4 hour basis. um Nothing terribly exciting here. Let's look at it from the 1 hour, and yeah, I'll be looking for this. Okay, so we'll be looking for this low to be taken again. All right, coming to this block right here and then going higher. So that's what I'll be looking for. Or we could just see a straight trade and the market we just move from here. So we're gonna have, I believe we're gonna have some really good trade for the coming weeks under this month of August. All right, guys, so that will be what I will be looking for on those pairs. Okay, all right, so that's what we have for this particular week, and you can visit the Telegram group on the description below for um, some analysis maybe during the week. If we can change, if we want, if our bias is no longer valid, then you will know when we'll change our biases. Okay, all right, so have a really great day, have a really great week, and also trade carefully, use proper risk management. All right, so okay guys, that will be up for now.